It's arrived! It's finally arrived! This has a lens and a memory card, and this is the camera, although it sure seems to wobble around in the box a little bit. So what did I get? I have a Sony A7iii, or as some photographers call it, it's the Sony Alpha 7 Mark III. Either way you say it, I'm excited. There it is. A lens and my memory card. What to open first? Camera strap. Ooh, feels nice. This is the 28-70 lens. Hoping it doesn't roll off the table there. It's fine. And there is the camera. Woo! That feels nice. The next thing to do, take a picture of my favorite thing. My favorite thing, of course, it's my wife. And I haven't put the memory card in correctly. Just a little bit of a buzzkill. I went to take the picture and the battery was exhausted. Okay, let me put you right here. The camera is charged. Now I'm ready to take my first photo. Woo, neat.
How many are you taking?
That is so cool! With my new camera, I've taken my first photos with my favorite thing. Of course, calling her a thing isn't very flattering, is it? But